Hello, it's Olimek. In today's video, I will share how I detail the interior of my car to keep everything clean and also protected. It's been quite some time I haven't done any deep cleaning on this car, but in today's video, I'm gonna share it with you and we're gonna clean it together. And that's why I'm doing this video. Maybe it will motivate some of you to detail the interior of your car this weekend. So let's do it. If we look at the steering wheel, we can say it's clean, but when we zoom in on the bottom, we can see oil that's been accumulated over the time. But usually, hand oil not gonna be over here. It will be at the back of steering wheel and also at the bottoms. We have something here as well, but I have no idea what is that. So we're gonna clean that as well. Alright, here we have some cleaners. This is a soapy water. We have two types of brushes. I will be using this one for the seat and also for the dashboard. And this one is a bit harsher. I will be using for the plastic trims. So for the leather, I'm not gonna be using soapy water. I will be using leather cleaning foam. And also we have this brush that works very well with this foam. And after cleaning the leather with this cleaning foam, we're gonna be applying conditioning cream. We will need some microfiber towels. And if I see any stain that I can't clean it with the soapy water, I will be using simple green. This is my basic cleaning tools. I'm not gonna make it complicated. This is what I will be using on any car. And the last thing, we're gonna need gloves. And here are all the tools I use for detailing interior of my car, from cleaning and taking care of the leathers. And if you have a spot like this on the carpet, brush and drill will be very handy, and then using vacuum will make the job way easier. I'm happy to finish the work soon because it's gonna rain very soon. I'll make sure to put all the products in the video description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.